How to turn on or turn off suggest contacts for Google Keyboard or Gboard on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on General Management. In here, tap on Gboard settings, or you can tap on keyboard list in default, then tap on Gboard. Next, tap on text correction. Now scroll down and tap on suggest contacts. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on suggest contact. It then use information from contacts for suggestions to the Google Keyboard or the Gboard. After, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.